Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HBO Max on Samsung TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Samsung TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Smart Hub by pressing the home button on your remote. Use the arrow keys to scroll to the apps section. In the apps section, locate the search icon. Type in HBO Max using the on-screen keyboard. Once found, select the HBO Max app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download the app. After installation, open the HBO Max app. You will see the option to sign in or create an account. If you already have an HBO Max account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email and password associated with your HBO Max account. If you don't have an account, choose the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new account. After signing in, you may be prompted to activate your device. A unique activation code will appear on the screen. Using a computer or smartphone, open a web browser. Go to the HBO Max activation page. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Follow any additional instructions to complete the activation. Once activated, return to your TV to enjoy HBO Max content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.